Everybody, my name is Morgan McClanagan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a proper wrist shot. For a wrist shot, you pretty much want to bring the stick all the way back.
Okay, pause there. Right there.
And then transfer your weight through the stick. I'll do another one without the puck. Okay, so bring it back and transfer. You can bring it back with the end of you can bring your foot back like this when you shoot, but sometimes for beginners they stand there with their feet shoulder width apart. That's how I do it with the leg back, but
There, I have a pause button, so.
now I'm going to do some wrist shots with the pucks. So, like I said, bring it back and transfer your weight through the power of the stick. One more, I'll do a couple more for you. So, back, middle of your stick, and fire.
Go.
And now this is the last one I'm going to do for you guys. So bring it back, transfer your weight, and then that should be it for the video. Have a good rest of your day.